The other thing you can look at is what's called extension programs, or they're called AAIPs. I think it's alternative aircraft inspection programs or something along those lines. AAIPs is what the acronym is. And basically those are programs that help you change the maintenance calendar on your jet. So if you're a low utilization user using your jet less than 200 hours a year, it's going to be something where you only have to do half of a 1 through 4 inspection every 2 years. So it's going to take you a total of 4 years to do a full phase 1 through 4 inspection. And that helps you with downtime. It helps you with cost of maintenance. A phase 5 inspection is supposed to be every 3 years. So in 3 years, you do half the phase 5. And then in another 3 years, you do another half of the phase 5, the phase 5A and B. Again, it elongates the inspections. And basically what it was is somebody came up and said, hey, listen, I'm only flying 200 hours a year, so I don't need to inspect everything as often, as someone who's using it a lot more. When the maintenance manual was originally intended, it was for more use. So I'm going to write up, maintenance items that someone can do to split these phases up. And they submitted it to the FAA and they said, hey, listen, look at these inspections that I'm recommending for someone to do so that they don't have to do their inspections as often. Will you approve this? They said yes. So they gave them a manual and basically a patent to that inspection program. So you pay the program, the AAIP, you pay them, let's say it's $25,000, $28,000. You get access to the program and a maintenance manual so that your mechanic can now do maintenance on this low utilization schedule. So the popular ones are the Bacon program for the Cessnas, the Citations, and the LUMP program, the low utilization maintenance program by Textron. So there's a couple of different options you can have there, but you're going to want to find that in the logs and find out, even more importantly in some cases, if it's on the program and you don't want it to be on the program, usually it's going to require reverting back to the calendar. So you may have to do a full 1 through 5 inspection. So you're going to look in the logbook, say, when was the last full 1 through 5 inspection? And if it was, let's say, 6 years ago, well, as soon as you buy that aircraft and you take it off that AAIP, that aircraft is now out of inspection. It's going to require a 1 through 5. And if your guys are going to do that, you might need a ferry permit to get it back to where the base is, and then you can proceed with your 1 through 5. So there's a lot.